Welcome to the beautiful apartment 102 at Westside Berry Apartments. This is apartment 102 at Westside Berry Apartments. Is one of the biggest apartments we currently have in our portfolio. It is extremely spacious and is extremely big. It has 1,270 square feet, very tall, high ceilings. I wish you could be here and see it for yourself. It's really big and really spacious. It also has hardwood floors throughout the apartment, which is really nice. It's easy to clean and take care of. And once again, this apartment is 1,270 square feet and located right in one of the most desired and sought after neighborhoods of Los Angeles called Brentwood. So let's go ahead. I'm going to quickly show you the stainless steel kitchen area with beautiful black countertops. Everything looks brand new and modern. And honestly, this kind of appliance set makes it feel, that you're living in a modern and stylish apartment. Everything is almost like brand new, if not brand new. Clean and beautiful. So this is your kitchen area. You do have your stainless steel oven, stove, the microwave, the dishwasher, and obviously the refrigerator. This is the front entrance door to the apartment 102 at Berry, Westside Berry. And it's operated, let me just open it up. In order to access the building, you can either access it through entering the 6-digit code, like this, or you can access the apartment through your phone app, whichever you prefer. Also, you can control through the same app your AC, your central heating and cooling, or you can do it from the thermostat right on the wall. I'll show it to you in just a second. One of the biggest advantages of this apartment is that it has in-unit washer and dryer, which is available for your use, your private use. No need to go to a laundry room because you do have your own washer and dryer on premises. So that's amazing. In Los Angeles, it's considered pretty much almost luxury at this point. So it's great for you to have it in your own apartment. You do have some extra clothes, closet space. And one more time, if we go to the left, to the right, after we enter the apartment, we're gonna be in the living room area. If we go to the left, we're gonna be in the kitchen area, with the dining area right after the kitchen area. So now I'm entering the dining area, and I'm located in the dining area, which is also connected to the living room. I wish you could see one more time how big and spacious this living room is in this dining area. 1,270 square feet is a big deal in Los Angeles. You have a beautiful view of Berry Street from your window, and you also get a really beautiful, amazing windows and a beautiful balcony. Let me just real quickly step outside and show you the wonderful and peaceful Zen view from this apartment. This is Berry Street, located right next to Wilshire, which is a great thing if you like to go dining or you work in the area like UCLA or VA. It's really amazing. All right, let's go back from the balcony. I'm gonna keep it open for a second. Let's go back from the balcony. I'm gonna show you the 2 bedrooms and the central AC. All right, so here we are. As I already told you, you can either access it through your phone or on the wall. You can click mode heating, mode cooling, or off. You can do the same thing from your phone and adjust the temperature from your phone. All right, so to the right, we have extremely big master bedroom number 1. I'll show it to you in just a second. Straight, we have the first bedroom, and to the left, we have the master bedroom number 2. This is extremely big and spacious master bedroom. As you can probably tell based on us standing in the middle of the room, this is a very spacious master bedroom. And we have two of them. So you do have lots of closet space over there behind those windows. And that's where the entrance is. So the bathroom for this apartment is right straight and to the left. All right. So let me go back and show it to you one more time from a different angle. Here we are. And you can probably see even the echo because there's no furniture for now. So it bounces back and forth. All right. So let's go real quick. I'll show you the bathroom number 1. This is it with a standing shower. There's no bathtub for this one. And now, oh, and by the way, we do have more storage for you, just in case, right? And now we're entering the biggest master bedroom, probably one of the biggest master bedrooms in Los Angeles. This could be an apartment on its own. It's huge, big, and spacious. Let me just go here. I'll show you the views facing the other building. All right. And once again, I wish you could see how tall the ceilings are in this master bedroom number 2. You do have your own private master bathroom number 2. So here we are. Once again, you do have lots of closet space, and you do have a mini bathtub as well as a standing shower. So once again, you do have extra space, extra cabinets for your storage. So for somebody who has lots of things, this is an ideal apartment. Obviously, you don't need to have all those things, but it's just nice to have all this extra storage space. And speaking of storage, you do get also a walk-in closet. A private walk-in closet that could be an apartment on its own, technically, because it's so big. I can even come inside of this room and show you how much space there is. So I'm standing in this walk-in closet right now. All right, so let's go back. So this was the second master bedroom. As you could probably tell, it's extremely huge, extremely big, and very bright, to be honest with you. For a first floor apartment, it's really good. All right, so let's just go back real briefly. I'm gonna show you master bedroom number 1. As you can see, spacious and big, super big and nice. The master bedroom number 1. So everybody gets their own bathrooms. And we are back to the kitchen / living room area with a very beautiful balcony. And the washer and dryer and units right over there. And your fireplace right in the middle of the living room. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching this tour for the apartment 102 at Westside Barrie. Once again, if you would like to learn more about this apartment, feel free to reach out to us. Our leasing phone number is 310-979-8600. Or you can reach us by our email, conpico@eqr.com. Let me repeat that contact information for you one more time. The phone number for our leasing office is 310-979-8600. 310-979-8600. And our email is conpico@eqr.com. Thank you so much for watching this tour for 102 apartment at Westside Barrie at our Westside Collections Apartments. And we wish you a great day and look forward to speaking with you soon in regards to this apartment or any others that we have in our portfolio. Thank you and have a beautiful day.